everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry for not doing a Dollar Tree haul. Last week I had my rummage sale and I was just too tired to even do a video, and I barely hardly had anything. And then today I'm just like, oh, do I want to do it? So I am kind of posting this late, but I just been kind of cutting back on the Dollar Tree stuff. I feel like I need to get rid of a lot more items before I start buying more. So I don't know if I will be doing an every week Dollar Tree haul. Some of you guys like watching my hauls, but some of you guys I don't know. So I'm just going to show you guys what I got, and I'll randomly, do Dollar Tree hauls, but I'm here to share with you guys what I got. Now, from the last 2 weeks, I went to a couple different Dollar Trees. I still love shopping at the Dollar Trees. You're always on a hunt to find stuff, but you never know what you're going to find. I know some of the stores are getting Christmas items, but one thing I absolutely love that I saw is this like jar. I've been actually wanting to do...
I can open it.
Yeah. I've been actually wanting to do some DIYs with something like this, but I just haven't. But all it is just a clear jar, and then they kind of put some silver spray paint in it. But I think this stuff is super awesome. I think this is awesome. I thought these would be kind of good to use for my potions and stuff that I have for my Halloween decorations. So I thought this would be cute. And even if I don't use it for a Halloween decoration, I can always use it for something else. But I thought that is so cute. I had to have that. I think I got these to surprise Ben, but he did help himself. Now, he is really hardcore into Shopkins lately. It's fine. He got a bunch for his birthday, but I found some Shopkins stickers. He did take a couple out. He saw them, but I thought these would be cute for him to play with, as he respects stickers. I'm a person who doesn't like having stickers all over the place, but yeah, he did find one of them. But I thought these are cute little stickers to have. So there's only 4 sheets in here. I don't know how many stickers, but for $1, not going to go wrong with that. I found these. I've been so excited to find these, but these are the squishies. One thing I like about the squishies is they're really cool to squish, but you guys can also play food with this. Now, they had the hot dog, the hamburger or cheeseburger, whatever this is, and then they had a pretzel. Now, the pretzel looked deformed. Now, I see there's like a little bit of a dent in this burger, but it's not a big deal. It's still fun to squish. I mean, you guys can squish it, and as you guys see, I mean, it takes a little bit to grow back up, but I thought Ben could play with these. We've been playing kitchen lately, so I thought these would be great to have to play kitchen. And then I had to get a hot dog. Now, I don't remember the bun being yellow. I mean, they could have made the bun the same color as the burger, but it just has ketchup on it, which is fine. But I thought this is cute to have. I'm just going to take the tag out of it. But I thought this is just cute to have, and it squishes so easily. So, had to get these for Ben to play with for kitchen stuff. Now, I found one of these. Now, this is an ornament, and you can do like a snow globe in it. I don't know how well it seals. I mean, the plastic is scratched up like crazy. But, yeah, it doesn't really seal very well, so I'm kind of thinking of some kind of DIY with this. I really do, you guys, I really, really want to do more DIYs. I just haven't been wanting to do anything lately. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I just want to sit and watch movies lately. I think it's the weather. I just don't want to do anything. And there's nothing wrong with that. I'm not really depressed. I just need a day where I just need some time to relax. I'm trying to stop shopping for stuff because I feel like I have so much stuff and I barely use it, and I just want to start doing other things. So that's one thing, is I just want to sit and watch movies, because then I'm not shopping, I'm not spending money on stuff that I don't need. But I do want to do more DIYs. I just have to do more ambition for it, but it's really hard for me to do videos when my son is always bothering me constantly. I found a Yes mask. Now, this is the Comforting Mud Mask. I thought, why not? It's the cotton. I've been wanting to do more masks lately, just to kind of relax. Just relax. That's all I need is relaxation. I just need it. So we got that. I needed some 3M hooks because I actually hang up a lot of this stuff around my house. I put all my wreaths around my house, and I feel like I want to put some more in my basement or just all around the place. So I love the 3M hooks, and they're for $1. You can't go wrong, so I got 2 of them because I need them to hang up my wreaths. I found this lip gloss. Now I'm a huge lip gloss person. And I saw these now, I just grabbed a pretty one, but then the pretty one, the scent wasn't that strong. But this one, even though it's purple, it does say that it's strawberry scented. So we'll see. My first, I guess, taking it out of the box, it's not really sealed very well. You can smell it, but it's not sealed at all. I can see the little pink on it. And it actually, is it broken? This might be broken. Okay, so, I don't know, you don't get that much. I mean, it doesn't even smell like strawberries. I already have chapstick on, but you just put your finger on it, which I don't like doing, but I don't know. But, you know what, I thought that is super cute. You know, it's a little ring, or a donut. You can't go wrong with a little donut. So it's super cute, but not the greatest product. But I still wanted to share with you guys with that. Now, I saw these floating around on Instagram, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I want one. I like little knickknacks lately. So I saw this, and I'm like, oh, I just gotta get it. They wrap them up for you. They wrap them up. Now, I did get some stuff that I bought for a secret swap that I'm doing, so you guys will have to see who I got. And then I got some stuff for Gina. I think she kind of has an idea of stuff I'm getting her, but I don't want to show it on video because I bought some stuff for her that I think she's going to like. So I'm going to send her a swap sometime soon, so you guys will have to definitely stay tuned for that. But this is like a dog that's one of those balloon thingies. Now, Graham and I went, I think it was to Chicago one time, or it was New York City. I can't, it might have been New York City. And they had like an exhibit with these like balloon things. They weren't real balloons, but they were balloon exhibits. But I thought, this is so cute to have. I mean, I'm not a big dog person, but I thought that is so cute. I love it. It reminds me of what we saw back then. And then I went super crazy over movies. Now, I've seen some stores was having movies. So I went to this one store that was near me when I was couponing, and I'm like, they probably won't have anything. Walk in the door. There is nothing in the front saying that they got movies. So I'm like, okay, they don't have any. But then I went in with their aisle where they keep their overflow like electronics, and they had boxes after boxes after boxes. So I'm like, sweet, I hit the mother load. I was so excited. That means they either just put them out or nobody's really saw them there, so I had really good dips. Now, Benjamin was with me, and he saw a lot of the My Little Pony videos, which was not a big deal. I'm like, Ben, if you want to get those, you can get those. I like My Little Pony. I like the older version, but these are just as cute. So we've already watched some of these already, but here we got the triple feature. There is 15 episodes in this one, and this is My Little Pony, Friendship is Magic. It's Pinkie Pie's Party, Princess Twilight Sparkle, and Royal Pony Wedding. So there is that. That is 5 hours and 30 minutes for that. I'm like, for $1, that's an awesome deal. We ended up getting the Cutie Park Quest. This has five shows. This is only 110 minutes, but I'm like, whatever, for $1. Can't go wrong with that. And then we also got Fluttershy. This one has 5 episodes, and this is 110 minutes. And we also got another one, which I don't know what happened to it. I also got this little coffee koozie thing. Like, what you do is you put your coffee in there. So I thought that would be super cute. Sometimes I get cold drinks, and sometimes they're too cold for my hand. So I thought this is super cute to put my drinks in. So I'm like, that's so cool. So I got that anyways. But my movies, I'm still not done yet. I ended up finding the movie Easy A. Now, this is a movie where, you know, she kind of thinks how she's a little slut, I guess, you know, sleeps around, but she ends up making a joke, and I like it. I've seen this movie like a couple times, and I'm like, oh, sweet, it's on Blu-ray. I'm like, that is an awesome deal. I love getting movies on Blu-ray. Now, this is a DVD and Blu-ray combo pack. I don't think there is a digital copy in here, but it's not that big of a deal. For $1 on Blu-ray, I think that's a great deal. Now, I did find A Fault in Our Stars. Now, I love this movie. I actually own this movie, but this is a extended edition. So I don't know what version I have, but I'm like, for $1, I'll get it. And if I already have this kind of version, then I can give it to somebody, because for $1 for a Blu-ray, I think that's a great movie. If you guys haven't seen this movie, definitely watch it. This is a tearjerker. Okay. I ended up getting Drumline. I've seen this movie I think once or twice, but I'm like, I really like music movies, and you know, it's got a good plot to it, so it's been several years since I saw this. I mean, this movie came out in 2008, or 2008 maybe, so 10 years ago. I'm like, for $1, I'll get it. It's cheaper to rent. I found this movie 43. Now, there's a lot of known actresses and actors in here. I don't know, I've never seen this movie. I had a friend that said I should watch it. I don't know how good it is, but there is a digital copy, a Blu-ray, and a DVD in it. So I thought, put that down, honey. So I thought that would be a good movie to watch. Ben, put that down so you don't break something that's in it. And then the next one I got is The Tooth Fairy. Now this has a Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy. I don't think I've ever seen this movie, but you know what? I'm not complaining because I love it when I can get movies with a Blu-ray and a digital copy. So I got a ton of movies, which I was super excited for. And I'm always going to store to look for other movies because every store is different. But yes, that was my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more of these, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. And I will see you guys all another time when I do another Dollar Tree haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.